Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to duplicate a shape and rotate it around a specific point in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First create a new document, then press Ctrl plus R to activate ruler and place it on the center of the page. Then select Ellipse tool, for which the shortcut key is L, and align it on the center of the artboard. Make a shape on top of a circle and make sure that it is aligned center. To activate the guide, press Ctrl plus U. Select the shape which you want to rotate and grab the rotate tool. To make the anchor point, we have to hold Alt key and then a dialog box appears. To get a nice circle, we have to divide it 360 degree divided by the number of objects we want to copy and then click copy. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the shape around a circle. In the same way, we can create a flower, and for that, we need a small circle, and with the help of direct selection tool, drag the anchor point upwards, and with the help of anchor point tool, double click on it to make it pointed. Now grab the rotate tool, and to mark the anchor, we need to hold the Alt key, then a dialog box appears. And to get a nice angle, we have to divide it 360 degree divided by the number of shapes we want, then press Ctrl D to duplicate. In this way, you can use this tool to make watches, flowers, wheels or other similar objects. Thanks for watching. Bye.